The 2003 Honda Pilot. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. With highway fuel economy of 22 miles per gallon, this vehicle won't drain your wallet at the pump. Top features include front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, power windows, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. An attractive stance is achieved thanks to the alloy wheels glistening within the fenders. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.